State health officials said they plan to get at-home COVID test kits out to every school district so students could be tested before classes started after the winter break. KTVU's Rob Roth joining us now with just how well that effort is actually working out. Rob?
Alex, the ability to get students COVID tested seems to vary from school district to school district. For some, it was difficult. For others, impossible. Even as San Francisco public schools reopened Monday after the holiday break, some families were lining up early in the morning to get tested for COVID-19 at this mobile testing site at district headquarters.
I still just want to be safe and make sure that we don't spread it to the other kids through my child.
This is one of 3 mobile testing sites in the city. While the numbers of those tested were not available Monday afternoon, the district says about 1,000 people were tested Sunday. San Francisco is still waiting for the rapid at-home test kits to arrive from the state, which is sending millions of kits to all school districts in California. Oakland school officials say they distributed 41,000 at-home kits before the break.
It isn't foolproof. It may not catch every single case. There will be kids who test negative but are, positive the next day. And so certainly that's going to happen, but we know that kids need to be in school.
But one special education teacher from Grass Valley Elementary School said there was a big problem.
The problem is that not all students received it. They should have been given to the classroom teachers to be able to give to the students.
I do know of a couple of schools where we did have some hiccups that maybe didn't get out to everybody. And so we're working to make sure that all that gets out this week.
It shouldn't be different from school to school, and that's what we'd like to work with the district on.
In San Jose, families also lined up to get the PCR tests at one of 3 sites. Classes here don't resume until Tuesday. At-home kits have gone out throughout the district.
We visited with family over the holidays, and we tested at home before we visited them, but we also know that the PCR tests are, in general, more reliable.
None of the 3 school districts had any numbers on how many students have been tested, and the district stressed that while tests are highly recommended, they are strictly voluntary. Alex?
All right, Rob Roth reporting. Thank you.